Hello students. In our today's lecture, we will study component of financial system. First is financial institution. Financial institution are the participants in a financial market. They are business organization dealing in financial resources. They collect resources by accepting deposits from individual and institutions and lend them to trade, industry and others. On the basis of the nature of activities, financial institutions may be classified as regulatory and promotional institutions, banking institutions and non-banking institutions. Regulatory and promotional institution. Financial institutions, financial market, financial instruments and financial services are all regulated by regulators like Ministry of Finance, the Company Law Board, RBI, SEBI, IRDA, Department of Economic Affairs, Department of Company Affairs, etc. Banking institution mobilize the saving of the people. They provide a mechanism for the smooth exchange of goods and services. They extend credit while lending money. They not only support credit but also create credit. There are three basic categories of banking institution. They are commercial banks, cooperative bank and development bank. Non-banking institutions. The non-banking financial institutions also mobilize financial resources directly or indirectly from the people. Companies like LIC, GIC, UTI, development financial institutions, organization of pension and provide funds, etc. fall in this category. Non-banking financial institutions can be categorized as investment companies, housing companies, leasing company, hire purchase company, specialized financial institutions. Second is financial market. Financial market is a composition of stock market, bond market, commodity market, money market, derivative market, future market, insurance market, foreign exchange market. Classification of financial market. Classification of financial market on the basis of type of financial claim: debt market, equity market. Classification on the basis of maturity: claim money market, capital market. Classification on the basis of seasoning of claim: primary market and secondary market. Classification on the basis of structure or arrangements: organized markets, unorganized markets. Classification on the basis of timing of delivery: cash, spot market, forward, future market. Other type of financial market: foreign exchange market and derivative market. Financial instruments. Financial instruments are the financial assets, securities and claims. They may be viewed as financial asset and financial liabilities. Financial assets represent claim for the payment of a sum of money sometime in future, repayment of principal and periodic payment in the form of interest or dividend. Financial assets like deposit with banks, companies and post offices, insurance policies, NC, provident funds and pension funds are not tradable. Securities included in financial assets like equity shares, debentures, government securities and bond. Hence, they are the transferable. The financial instruments may be capital market instrument or money market instrument or hybrid instrument. The financial instruments that are used for raising capital through the capital market are known as capital market instruments. The financial instruments that are used for raising and supplying money in short period for not exceeding 1 year through money market are called money market instrument. Hybrid instruments are those instruments which have both the features of equity and debenture. Example are convertible debenture, warrants, etc. Characteristics of financial instruments, liquidity, marketing, collateral value, transferability, maturity period, transaction cost, risk, and future trading. Financial services. Financial services, its objective is to intermediate and facilitate financial transaction of individual and institutional investors. The financial services include all activities connected with the transformation of saving and investment. Important financial services include lease financing, hire purchase, installment payment system, merchant banking, factoring, forfeiting, etc. Type of financial services. Hire purchase services. Hire purchase, the legal term for a conditional sale contract and interpret to finance consumers toward vehicle which white goods, etc. If a buyer cannot afford to pay the price as a lump sum but can afford to pay a percentage as a deposit, the contract allows the buyer to hire the goods for a monthly rent. Leasing services. A lease or tenancy is a contract that transfers the right to purchase specific property. Leasing services includes the leasing of assets to other companies either on operating lease or finance lease. Housing finance services. Housing finance services means financial services related to development and construction of residential and commercial properties. As housing finance companies approved by the National Housing Bank may undertake the services activities such as providing long-term finance for the purpose of constructing, purchasing, or renovating any property, etc. Asset management company. Asset management company is managing and investing the pooled funds of retail investors in securities in line with the stated investment objective and provide more diversification, liquidity, and professional management services to the individual investor. Mutual funds come under this category. Venture capital commodities. Venture capital finance is a unique form of financing activity that is undertaken on the belief of high risk and high return. Venture capitalists invest in those risky projects or companies that have success potential and could promise sufficient return to justify such gamble. Weakness of Indian financial market. Lack of coordination among financial institutions, dominance of development bank in industrial finance, inactive and erratic capital market, unhealthy financial practices, and monopolistic market structure. These are the main weakness of Indian financial system. Thank you so much.